Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love from bright colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stores that don't necessarily go together, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. Enjoy a small bit of time together. We hate you if you leave, okay? We're gonna spread lies and rumors about you. We think you suck. Okay, but yeah, anyways, we are doing a little series, my little segment called Mish Monday, where I take two random palettes and I create a look with them. Today's palettes are both from BellaBeauteBar. We have Vamp and we have Secret Garden. I love doing this. I love a good palette bingo. Some of my favorite videos to do. I ended up creating this gorgeous look with the shades that I got. So if you want to see what shades I got, you want to do a little palette bingo, then let's get into it. That's a really spiced chai latte, my goodness. Okay, anyways, welcome to a little Mish Mash Monday. Mish Mash Monday is where I take two palettes from my collection that have, to me at least, complete opposite color stories, and then I do a palette bingo with them. So I run a number, generate 3 shades out of each palette, and create a look with them. Today's palettes are Vamp from BellaBeauteBar, which looks like this. It is a stunning color story, just absolutely beautiful, and one of my favorite palettes of all time. Again, another BellaBeauteBar, which is Secret Garden here. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, I just felt like pairing these two together would be a lot of fun. I'm really excited for this. I love the formula of BellaBeauteBar, so I feel like I said, I feel like this is just gonna be a whole hell of a lot of fun. If I look really tired, it's because I just woke up like a half hour ago. There's that. But let's go pick our shades. So the Vamp palette has 15 shades. So 13 is that shade right there called Claudia. Next, 3 is that shade right there called Shadows. And last but not least for this palette, we already got that one. There's other numbers here. 5 is that shade right there called Salvatore. There's 25 shades in the Secret Garden palette, but here we go. 21 is that shade right there called Enchanted. Next, 4 is that shade right there called Hidden Door. And last but not least for this palette and this whole thing, we already got that one. What is up with it today? Oh my god. 14. My goodness. 14 is that shade right there called Rose. So this is the color story of everything. I love it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Like, this is just, like, look at that. Okay, this side right here is Vamp, and this side right here is Secret Garden. I love doing Mishmash Mondays. It gives me shit I wouldn't ever put together on my own. Like, I would have never thought to, like, do this, you know? Like, I love it. But this is Claudia, Shadow, Salvatore, Enchanted, Hidden Door, and Rose. I can see some things with this. I'm super excited to play with that shadow, that shadow called Shadow right there. I think it's just gonna be so much fun. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. Like I said, I absolutely love doing these. These are so much fun. They stretch my creativity, and I love it. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. These links are just put in my bio, my description, whatever the hell you want to call it, for y'all. So if you see something in my videos that you want to like check out, peruse, whatever, it's there for you. To start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to Win, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. But let me scooch you in. I'm thinking about how I'm going to do this. Like, I do kind of see like an idea here, but I don't know how well those two are gonna mix together, but I kind of wanted to do like that in here, kind of, and then like those in here, you know. But I honestly don't really fully know what I'm gonna do, but I might just like place it and hope for the best here. I kind of almost want to do like a halo eye too, but I don't necessarily know how I would do that with this color story, so I think I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so to start, I do think I'm gonna start with a little bit, maybe. You know what? We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with that brown at a different point. Like, I've got kind of an idea of how to go in a weird direction with this. So I think I'm gonna start with that shade right there called Rose from the Secret Gardens palette. I'm gonna take that on my Unearthly UC85 here, and I'm going to plop that into this crease area right here. Y'all, I'm so super excited for 2025. I can't believe it's almost here. I can't believe this year is almost done. It's been one hell of a year. Like, it's, my God, you know? Like, I feel like anything bad that could have happened to me and my family happened. And then I feel like so much good has happened too, and it just feels crazy, you know? Like, there's so much good that has happened in my life this year, and then I'm like, well, my dad died. Like, I don't know how I can feel about everything, you know? But it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, like I said, I think 2025 is going to be just an insanely crazy, blessed year, and I'm gonna talk that into existence. Like, I need it. I want it. What are the Ariana Grande lyrics? I like it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. And that's my plan for this year. We're gonna manifest the shit out of things, okay? Big moments, big happiness. That's the plan. But I'm gonna still use that same unearthly brush, and I'm gonna go in with that enchanted shade right there. I'm just gonna be taking that and plopping that under that rose shade right here. I'm gonna be going in with a different brush to blend this in a moment, but for right now, I'm just putting it here for placement, figuring out what I want to do, you know, going from there. I'm excited for what my channel is gonna be this coming year too. Like, I'm gonna work hard on it, and I'm gonna do some things. Like, I'm just super excited. I feel like it's, like I said, I'm gonna manifest it. I'm gonna make it a good year. The lighting is so shit. I'm so sorry. But I'm just gonna blend these two together here. I'm using my Unearthly A5. Like I said, just blending these two together here. Now it's all about if I can pull off everything else that is in my hand here. I do think that I'm gonna go in with my Unearthly A7. Oh my God, it is so dark. I hope the quality is good for you guys, because I do want to film. I do want to use these colors. Like, I really, really do. I think I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Shadows from the Vamp palette. I'm going to go in with my Unearthly A7 here. I use natural lighting. I don't have, like, a setup or anything. So that's why I'm like, I'm going to be taking that shadow shade and just plopping it out here. And I usually go in with, like, shimmers with my Refer 21, and I will after a little bit, but for right now, I want to try and get as much of the darkness out of the shade as I can, you know? Like, it's gorgeous. I love it. But I want this to be smoky. That's freaking gorgeous, though. Like, I like that a lot. That's stunning. Okay, I'm gonna switch back over to the Unearthly A5 and just slightly blend right here a little bit. Like I said, I want some smokiness. I want some... Look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. Okay, we are gonna go into that red shade right now, that Salvatore shade. I think we're gonna plop it right here. Yeah. So that one right there, taking it on my Refer 21 now. Like I said, this is my go-to shimmer brush. Oof. No, yeah, I just bringing it up a little bit more up here too. For whatever reason, like obviously this is like a good brush, but I really love how it applies this, how smooth it still makes everything. Like it's a flawless, you know, it makes everything. Ugh. I'm gonna clean that brush off a little bit and then kind of blend them together here. Maybe even going back in with that Unearthly A7 and just kind of, you know. Ooh, yeah, this is it. Like I said, I'll have to figure out what to do with the brown, but we can always just shove that on the lower lash. We need to go in now with that Claudia shade. So that's the one that I'm going to take right there. Taking it on my Refer 21 after I've cleaned it off a little bit and plopping that into this inner corner space right here. And I might take a little bit of that shadow shade and might smoke it out a little bit. But no, this is super pretty. No, that is like super pretty. Where did that brush go? This one. And just kind of, you know, it's kind of a vibe. I kind of like it. So, like I said, we're gonna probably put that brown under, and then we'll figure out the under eye and the inner corner a little bit more. But I'm gonna go do the rest of my face, and I will come back for blush, highlight, lip details, all the good stuff. Abby looking pale as hell, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. I do think it's the lighting though. Like it is like super gloomy, so we're just gonna deal with it. Okay. There we are. I did end up putting the this black Pixie X Hello Kitty liner down here. For blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. I ended up going in with Pulp there. And for highlight, I went in with some of this Glamlight Coca-Cola one, which looks like that. And then a little bit of the Blend Bunny Not to Lucent one with Dreamlike and Apparition here, just because, I don't know. I didn't necessarily know what I wanted to do with highlight for this look, but that's all the crap I ended up, you know, popping on my face. For under eye, I honestly, we still need to use that brown. So let's just get that done and then we can smoke it out and do what we need to, you know, like we'll work on it. So going into the Secret Gardens palette, I'm going to go in with that Hidden Rose shade right there. And just take it along the lower lash line right here. Did I say I'm using my Refer 23? I honestly don't know. But yeah, taking it along the lower lash line about, I don't know, halfway, maybe a little bit more. It is a bomb. I do love it. Okay, I'm thinking we're gonna go in with a little bit of that shadows shade right there. Now, again, still same brush. I'm hoping that this works out the way that I want it to, but just plopping it over that brown there. I'm just smoking it out a little bit. This is just way too smoky for me to go to Sunday lunch at Grandma's with my family. They're really supportive of all my makeup looks, but I feel like, as bomb as this is, this might be a little bit too, you know. But we're gonna clean that brush off a little bit and then go into that Salvatore shade right there and plop that right in here. I'm just dragging it into that shadows shade. You guys, that's bomb, okay? I love that. I think for the inner corner, I might, because we use that pink up there. Granted, you can't really see it, and you can't really see a lot of the colors, but I blended them out pretty well. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that Claudia shade from the Vamp palette. I'm going to take it on my Refer 03, and we're just going to plop a tad bit more of that into the inner corner here. Because why not, right? Oh my gosh. So I went in with a little bit of mascara down here, and then I went in with the Glamlight Kiss Lip whatever duo here. I don't know how I feel about the lip, but we're just gonna have to deal with it. Because I'm just over it. I do like this look though. It turned out like super pretty. Here's a little look at it. If my lashes aren't glued on well, that's nobody's business, okay? Like, we don't care here. Okay, we just don't. I really like how this turned out though. Like, I wish I could see a tad bit more of the pink, but I really do like how this turned out. It's such a vibe. It's so pretty. I love it. It's bomb. I do like really like it. I did really good. I'm proud of myself. I kind of wish that I kind of want to. Oh my gosh, I really want to start using this palette in a tad bit more Mish Mondays, just because I love this palette so much. I want to get more uses out of it. It's got such a good color story. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Yeah, it turned out super good. I really like it. If you made it to this point of the video though, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having every single one of you here watching my channel and supporting me. It means the world to me. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. Morals over makeup. Like, I'm gonna keep saying that from now on. That's gonna be the new part of my outro. Morals over makeup. Stop supporting shitty brands, shitty people, okay? We need to do better. It's almost 2025. Do freaking better. I'm judging you. Yeah. But yeah. Remember to also be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to be washing your hands, be teaching your kids how to wash hands. As a childcare provider, I see so many kids where they go like this under the soap and then they immediately wash it off. It never goes on their hand. It never ends up getting like there's no germs getting rid of there. So please make sure that you're teaching your kids how to wash hands, because I'm sick and tired of it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. But again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having every single one of you here. Just thank you so incredibly much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.